Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on floating keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A56. So a floating keyboard is a feature that allows you to make the on-screen keyboard smaller and movable on your device screen. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, this allow you to type more easily, especially with one hand. And how to turn it on, now you can follow the tutorial. And so yeah, let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is now you can show your own keyboard like this. And to activate the floating keyboard, now you can click this one, and then here there floating mode. Now you can click and then your keyboard will turn to floating keyboard mode. Alright guys, so yeah, now you can reposition it by pressing the bottom line like this, or you can resize. And so yeah, here's the tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on next video.